Tackle busy services with confidence using the Buffalo Electric Freestanding Fryer. Built for performance, this fryer pairs a powerful 12 kilowatt heating element with a generous 20-litre oil capacity. Ideal for producing large quantities of deliciously crispy fried foods, and thanks to its powerful heating elements, the fryer features rapid heat-up and recovery times, so you can serve more, faster, without waiting for the oil to reheat. Quickly turn around dishes without having to wait extended periods for the oil to return to the correct temperature. Twin baskets make it easy to double up for batch cooking or fry multiple foods from a single unit. The built-in drain tap with safety interlock allows for quick, mess-free draining when service is done, while the double thermal cutout adds an extra layer of protection. The hinged elements lift for easy cleaning access, while the durable stainless steel body ensures long-lasting use in commercial kitchens. Fitted with 4 casters, 2 of which are braked, this fryer is easy to manoeuvre and securely position. The Buffalo Electric Freestanding Fryer, large capacity, powerful performance.
Shop now at nisbets.co.uk.